Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation with our list of the top 8 coolest gadgets that's worth your attention. From cutting-edge tech to revolutionary designs, these gadgets are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So without further ado, let's jump right in. 8. Wrist Lighter Watch. A wrist lighter watch is a multifunctional marvel that combines the practicality of a watch with the utility of a built-in lighter. This innovative device not only tells time, but also serves as a convenient tool for lighting cigarettes, candles, or any other small flames needed on the go. Designed for portability and ease of use, it features a sleek and compact design that discreetly integrates the lighter mechanism into the watch strap or case. Whether used for its timekeeping function or its handy lighter feature, the wrist lighter watch is a stylish accessory that offers both convenience and versatility in one sleek package. The wrist lighter watch represents a fascinating fusion of practicality and innovation, catering to those who value both functionality and style in their accessories. At first glance, it appears as a stylish timepiece, featuring a sleek and modern design that complements any attire. However, beneath its elegant facade lies a discreet yet powerful lighter seamlessly integrated into the watch's strap or case. This dual functionality makes the wrist lighter watch a versatile companion for various situations. Whether you find yourself in need of a reliable timekeeping device or a convenient tool to light candles, cigarettes, or campfires, this watch is designed to meet those needs with ease. 7. Wi-Fi Smart Camera 360 Degrees. The Wi-Fi Smart Camera 360 Degrees is a cutting-edge device that revolutionizes home surveillance and monitoring with its advanced features and seamless connectivity. Designed to provide comprehensive coverage, this camera offers a full 360-degree panoramic view, ensuring that every corner of a room or space is monitored effectively. Its ability to rotate horizontally and vertically enables users to remotely control the camera's viewpoint, granting unparalleled flexibility in surveillance. One of the standout features of the Wi-Fi Smart Camera 360 Degrees is its integration with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing users to access live feeds and recordings remotely through a smartphone app. This accessibility means homeowners can check on their property in real time from anywhere in the world, enhancing peace of mind and security. In addition to its monitoring capabilities, the camera often includes motion detection technology and alerts, sending notifications to the user's device when activity is detected. Some models even incorporate two-way audio functionality, enabling users to communicate through the camera, making it useful for home security, pet monitoring, or even as a baby monitor. 6. Ultra-bright LED flashlight 34,000 lumens. The ultra-bright LED flashlight, boasting an astonishing 34,000 lumens, is a powerhouse of illumination, designed to meet the most demanding lighting needs. This flashlight utilizes cutting-edge LED technology to deliver an exceptionally bright beam, capable of lighting up vast areas or penetrating through the darkest environments with ease. Its high luminant output ensures unparalleled brightness, making it ideal for outdoor adventures, search and rescue operations, or professional use where visibility is critical. The ultra-bright LED flashlight is typically designed to be compact and lightweight, ensuring portability without sacrificing performance. It often features durable materials like aircraft-grade aluminum alloy for enhanced durability and resistance to the elements. Some models incorporate multiple light modes, allowing users to adjust brightness levels according to their specific needs and conserve battery life when maximum illumination isn't required. These flashlights often come equipped with rechargeable batteries or support for standard batteries, providing flexibility and power source options. This feature ensures extended usage times, making it suitable for prolonged outdoor activities or emergency situations where reliable lighting is indispensable. 5. Bluetooth Speaker Musen Cyber Q Pro. The Musen Cyber Q Pro Bluetooth speaker is a compact yet powerful audio companion that embodies both style and performance. Designed with portability in mind, this speaker features a sleek, cube-shaped design that is easy to carry and fits seamlessly into any modern living space or outdoor environment. The CyberCube Pro delivers impressive sound quality. It utilizes advanced Bluetooth technology to wirelessly connect to your devices, allowing you to stream music, podcasts, or even take calls with clarity and convenience. The speaker is often equipped with high-fidelity drivers and bass radiators, ensuring rich and immersive sound despite its compact form factor. One of the standout features of the Musen CyberCube Pro is its robust build quality. Crafted from premium materials such as metal and high-quality plastics, it offers durability and a sophisticated aesthetic. Some models may also feature water resistance, making them suitable for use outdoors or in environments where exposure to moisture is a concern. The CyberCube Pro often includes user-friendly features such as intuitive touch controls for easy operation and a built-in microphone for hands-free calling. 4. 4-channel dashcam. A 4-channel dashcam system is a sophisticated solution for comprehensive vehicle surveillance and security. Unlike traditional dashcams that record only the front view, a 4-channel dashcam setup typically includes 4 cameras, one for the front windshield, one for the rear windshield, and 2 additional cameras for monitoring the sides or interior of the vehicle. The primary benefit of a 4-channel dashcam is its ability to provide a complete 360-degree view around the vehicle, capturing footage from all angles simultaneously. This is particularly useful for commercial vehicles, taxis, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants to monitor not only what's happening on the road ahead, but also inside and around their vehicle. These dashcams often feature high-definition recording capabilities, ensuring clear and detailed footage even in varying lighting conditions. 3. Mini Air Wedge. A mini Air Wedge is a versatile and handy tool used primarily in automotive and locksmithing applications. It is designed to assist in gaining entry or creating space in tight or delicate areas, such as vehicle doors or windows, without causing damage. Typically made from durable and flexible materials like vinyl or polyurethane, the mini Air Wedge inflates easily using a pump bulb or hand pump. As it inflates, it gently wedges itself between surfaces, creating a gap wide enough to insert other tools or objects safely. This gap can be crucial for tasks such as unlocking car doors when keys are locked inside or accessing components behind panels without risking scratches or dents. The mini Air Wedge is particularly favored by locksmiths and automotive professionals for its effectiveness in non-destructive entry methods. Its compact size makes it easy to store and carry, fitting into tight spaces where larger tools might be impractical. Some models even come with multiple inflation valves or adjustable inflation levels, offering precise control over the wedge's size and pressure. 2. BreakX. BreakX, a term likely referring to a specific object or concept that isn't clearly defined here, requires contextual understanding to elaborate on the implications. Assuming X1 represents a crucial element or barrier, breaking it suggests overcoming a significant challenge or achieving a pivotal breakthrough. Such a feat can signify various achievements depending on the context, whether technological, societal, or personal. Breaking X1 could symbolize surpassing a technological limitation such as achieving faster-than-light travel or developing quantum computing. Such advancements have profound implications for science, engineering, and humanity's understanding of the universe. On a societal level, breaking X1 might represent shattering societal norms or systemic barriers, such as achieving gender equality in leadership positions or overcoming racial discrimination in a significant way. 1. Luxio M8. The Luxio M8 wireless microphone stands out as a sophisticated and versatile audio device suitable for a wide range of professional and personal applications. Designed to offer freedom of movement combined with high-quality audio performance, it caters to content creators, musicians, presenters, educators, and more. The Luxio M8 utilizes advanced wireless technology, typically Bluetooth or a proprietary wireless protocol, enabling seamless connectivity to recording devices, sound systems, or cameras. This wireless capability eliminates the constraints of cables, providing users with enhanced mobility and flexibility during performances, presentations, or recordings. One of the standout features of the Luxio M8 is its exceptional audio quality. It is engineered to capture clear and detailed sound, ensuring that every nuance and subtlety is faithfully reproduced. This makes it well-suited for professional audio recordings, live streaming, podcasting, interviews, public speaking engagements, and other scenarios where pristine audio is crucial. Durability and reliability are also paramount in the Luxio M8's design. And there you have it, our roundup of the top 8 coolest gadgets that are worth your attention. From Amazon, these gadgets are sure to inspire and elevate your lifestyle. Which one caught your eye the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the possibilities of tomorrow. Thanks for watching.